Hey, it's Weed, third video of the pull-up videos. And if you have not checked out the other two, please make sure that you do to find out which exercise is best for you. We're standing here at a assisted and assisted pull-up machine or dip machine. And you can see there are different grips. We talked about overhand, we talked about neutral, and we talked about underhand. So on each of these, I can do all three of the grips. There is a counterweight on this. So we'll talk about safety, but right now it is at 150 pounds and we have the half-pound weight over here. So it's just like doing a regular pull-up. The only difference is I'm going to step up to here, hold on. Depending on my height, as you can't see my head, which is probably better, there's a lower grip or a upper grip. So I'm going to use the upper grip because I'm a little bit taller. And so what I do is I put my knees here and I can barely move that counterweight. So I'm here and I would do a pull-up like this without slamming the weights. And you don't want to let your hands off of the bar. That's not very safe. So I can actually do a one-arm pull-up looking at you, which means that this is probably a little bit excessive for the counterweight. If I step off of this, I can add and move this up to another level. Slide this over here. So now that's at 20 pounds of counterweight. So when I write down my assisted pull-up, I would include 20 pounds on the end of that. So we want to move the weight up so that it's less as we get stronger and stronger. So again, grab on here, both knees on the pad, and I pull up and control on the way down. And when I'm finished, step down here, let that together, and then step down. So if you saw the other video, I can do a regular body weight pull-up, so this is not a concern. So I would probably not opt to do this since I need to use my entire body weight. But this is a good progression. Remember, if we do it every time we work out, we'll get better at doing our pull-up. If you have questions and concerns, email your professor. Make sure that you are moving safely, move well, move often.